Hey friends, if you encounter the Ndu.sys blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. And unlike it has been suggested on other forums, don't try to rename this file. It will cause further problems. This file is associated with the network of your system, and the network may not be a compulsory part to start your computer, but if it gets stuck, then since it is a system file, it may cause a blue screen of death error. So how will you resolve it? Obviously, first try to update the network drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Now expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi 1 and then select update driver and search automatically for drivers. The next one is to reinstall this network driver. All you need to do is right click and select uninstall device. Okay, then click on action and select scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the adapter. The next one is, since it is an SYS or a system file, you can try an SFC scan. An SFC scan searches for missing or corrupt system files on your computer and replaces them if possible. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates. The last solution is cloud reset. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select recovery. Click on reset PC. Select remove everything and yes, back up your computer prior to this, and then finally click on cloud reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.